Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use the annotation tools in AutoCAD. Let's get started. To create a dimension, you can type in TIM and press enter, or you can click the icon above. Click the first point and the second point, and lastly, the height that you want the dimension. As you can see, the text is so small. It's because AutoCAD has a default size and we need to fix it. To fix it, click Annotation, click this icon. You can either create your new, or we could modify this. Let's start with the line. I want my dimension from the point that I base on to have a gap. I'm gonna set this one to 100. Symbols and arrows. I'll want my arrow size. So basically this arrows, I'm gonna set it to 200. Text size, I want my text height to be 200. Primary units, I want to keep decimal with precision numbers. I don't want comma, I want period. I want my dimensions to be showing millimeters. I'm gonna keep the decimal degree 0. I'm gonna click OK and then close. I'm gonna delete this and do it again. Type in DIM, enter. Your first point, your second point, and then the height that you want, your dimension. Press escape to exit. There's a way to put dimension faster. To start, you still have to type in DIM for dimension. Select the 2 points. And then you can go to Annotate and you can click Continue, or you can type in dim continue, and then you can keep on adding dimensions. Press escape to exit. Let's go back to home again. There's two types of text that you can enter. You can either enter M text for multi-line text or a single line text. So to start, click the multi-text. You can select the height here. I'm going to select 300. Start typing. For multi-text, you can create a paragraph and then just click outside and you're done. The difference between multi-text, multi-line text, and a single line is for single line, once you hit enter, and then click outside to exit, all of this is single text. So I can delete this, and as you can see, it's a single text. Unlike for a multi-line text, if you delete one, it will delete all. Another annotation tool is Leader. You can type in your words here. You can make the text and the arrows bigger by going to Annotation and selecting this. You will then can create new or modify. And here you could just change the format that you want. So if you want this one to be bigger, you will need to change the arrowhead, the text. You will need to change the text size, the leader break, lastly, you can insert table. So here you can change the column, the row height, the data rows, the column width, or if you have your data from Excel, you can import it from here. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.